Hi, it's Lee here. Thanks for coming back to my channel. I just want to show you a journal that I'm putting into my Etsy shop soon. So it has a soft cover made from book pages that I've glued together, and then I've decorated them. I made that flower that's on the front there. The closure is a satin tie, and the book is full of cards, and I've used a lot of pages from a book about lavender and use them as pages in my book. So there's a lace pocket there with some cards in it. I've got a paper bag on the other side, and there's some cards in that. A little notebook and a tag that says lying in bed listening to the rain. And on one of the cards I've got some Tim Holtz paper dolls. You turn the page, and in this envelope here, which I made out of a watercolour painting that I cut into pieces, sort of looks like licorice all sorts, doesn't it? So I'm calling that my mosaic envelope. And another card featuring Tim Holtz paper dolls. Turn over the montage page, and there's another pocket with some writing paper in. And I hand decorated the page on the left, so I've done that on quite a few pages. There's a bookmark that can be journaled on, and I painted the purple paper at the bottom. It's just a fold out birthday list with a hidden enclosure, under a hidden flap I should say, and another card for journaling on. Little card and an envelope on this side. Lots of places to write, lots of pockets for tucking things into. I love this little bird here. That was a Joey DeFee tutorial where I made that one from. So thank you, Joey. Some more journaling cards and a postcard. And you can see here where I've actually drawn some lavender flowers on there with a gel pen. I've done that on in a few places. I love this little envelope with the butterfly on it. It's got a journaling card in there. Some more writing pages. Journal cards that I made. An envelope for storing things in. And another pocket on the other side with a handmade card in it. In my centre spread I have an envelope that opens outwards, so you can store notes and memorabilia in. And there's a card just held on there with a paper clip. Another envelope for storage. Some more decorated pages and another pocket. There's a few coffee dyed pages in the book, and that one I've made into a pocket. On the other side there's a pocket as well, little tuck spot. More pockets with bits of paper in them. And that butterfly was from a digital download that I got, not a kit, just a download, and I went over it with gel pens. I made these little envelopes and made the little butterflies to hold the envelope shut. A stash place. This is the other end of that paper that I made. It was an A3 sheet, and I've tucked some cards in there and some little tickets and bits and pieces on the other side. Some writing paper, and on the other side is another lace pocket with some journaling paper in it. Just a couple of pockets there. Some more coffee dyed paper. And a nice little envelope on some music paper. And the back cover. And it just ties up with the satin ribbon to keep it closed. We've got the little tassel on the front. It's nice and fat. And it's just held on to the book with a safety pin. So it can be taken off and put wherever you like. And there's a little eyelet hole up the top for that to sit in. The corners have got metal guards on them. And the whole book has been themed around the colour purple and the colour pink. And it's quite pretty. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.